LifeLearn Sofie is an advanced medical search tool that is helping thousands of veterinarians and their staff save time and improve efficiency by providing fast clinical answers at the point of need. When you sign up for Sofie, you'll receive a welcome email with steps for creating your login and password. Enter your information here. Using Sofie is extremely easy. Just type your medical-related question into the Sofie search bar, just like you would ask a colleague. For example, you can type in, "What are causes of alopecia in dogs?" and then click the Ask Sofie button. Sofie uses IBM Watson to search a vast knowledge base of over 40,000 pages from the top veterinary textbooks, journals, and conference proceedings. Sofie will quickly return the top 5 most relevant articles for your search. In most cases, the information you're looking for will be found in the top 3 articles. If needed, the search results can be expanded by clicking the Show More button at the bottom. You can also select multiple articles and click the Compare button to easily toggle between them. As you can see, the keywords from your search are highlighted in different colors, which allows you to quickly and easily find the information you're looking for. Alternatively, you can search Sofie using keywords like you would with a typical search engine. For example, trazodone dosage. If there is an author or book you're particularly fond of, you can also search by typing in the topic plus the author's last name or book name. For example, searching hypothyroidism Blackwell will return this specific article as the top result. These are just a few of the many ways you can use Sofie. You can also use Sofie for drug formulary information, differential diagnosis, diagnostic algorithms, or emergency treatment for toxins. Now it's your turn. Your virtual DVM assistant is waiting. What will you ask Sofie? Log in now at AskSofie.com or visit LifeLearn.com to start your 30-day free trial.